Okay, okay, guys. Actually, crap, I don't even know if I'm streaming. It should be live. So switch account. APUsilicon. Let's go to Creative Studio. And I think I should be live. I'm gonna be streaming for a couple of hours. Okay, I'm live. Let's do it live. Okay, so I'm gonna be streaming for a couple of hours. Um, so, oh my god. All right, so I was doing a little bit of research after last night's session, and I decided to use Bootstrap instead of building the functionality from scratch, because Bootstrap has really nice design stuff to it, for lack of a better term. Okay, some really good stuff actually. So let's see. Let's get it started. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and kill all the styling again. But CSS grids super useful. Bootstrap has its own grid system, so we don't even need to do any of that. CSS frameworks. So we're using Bootstrap. This to-do list is just so nonsensical at this point. I'm gonna have to structure that better. Okay, so let's see. Let us see. How do we get started with Bootstrap? So grids. Start with getting started. Okay. I think that's the first part. Okay. Why is that not working? Okay, that's how it's supposed to be. Alright, so first things first, let's go ahead and link these up right. So, images, yes, there's images, yes. Okay, alright, okay. And actually we can go into style here and do body div border text style solid. Oh, let's give it a 1px. Okay. All right. So the first things first, we want to decide if the header is going to be like a full width header or like it's going to take up less space. So I'm going to go ahead and just start putting in the class. Okay, so actually we can get rid of all of these classes and IDs because we will be using this fix to not an issue. Come on. might do my own custom stuff in a second, but we can take these all out. I wonder if there's a way to... Okay. So the container... So first we need to link... we need to link, so it's going to be not that, it's going to be assets, is it? / CSS / bootstrap. Alright, so bootstrap CSS, jQuery, and then bootstrap, and then bootstrap JS. So script, source link assets dash. Okay, and then let me go ahead and download jQuery. Okay. Download not file. Production compress. Oh. Okay, so go ahead and just save as. Let's go to APUsilicon. Front end assets, JavaScript, jQuery. So you can see in my assets folder now have jQuery and stuff like that. Okay, so now let me link it. Source / JavaScript / jQuery. Okay, so those are all the dependencies, but I'm gonna actually do this. I'm gonna get it out of here and put it here. Apparently this is a good practice to do because you want to load up the page first before you have the scripts being loaded. So okay, so there we go. Alright, so we have our bootstrap and we have our, I think I put you in here as well. Did I? So let's see. No, I did not. Alright, so where are you? Okay, so I'll put you in. Yep, and I'll move. Okay, so I can minimize you and I'll put you in here. So that's just my custom script. Alright. Alright, so we got jQuery linked, and they're just a random style thing if we want to add our own little styles to it. And we got a simple structure over here. Okay. Type error. Utility.js. Okay. Do we have to load jQuery first? Okay, yeah, we had to load jQuery first. Weird. Okay, so now the first thing we need to do is set the wrapper. So let's just experiment a little bit. So set this as container, right? Alright, let's do a few things first, actually. Something I wanted to do before I even touch any of this. Think, Cameron. Okay, so container tag fluid. Actually, there is something I wanted to do first. I was gonna check if there's like a bootstrap extension. Alright. 416, bootstrap 3, bootstrap 4. Okay. I have that running. Let's see. I don't need you. Alright, so I have container set up. It's not really liking that. It is full screen. So we have the container. Okay, okay. Alright. So then we really would need to get into the scripts. Okay. We have to adjust the height of these, the images. Alright, we'll come to it in a second. Nav bars. Okay. Ooh. Nav bar default. Nav bar inverse. Okay. Let's start working on the nav bar really quickly. Template here. Bam, shakalaka. And these are all gonna be I have to put these in a nav. Okay. Container fluid. Okay, let's grab you. Oh, come on, fucking. Okay, now we go. So that's. Container fluid. That's a list. Alright, okay. So I gotta create this as a list. And these are all list elements. I guess that makes sense. Okay. Now, I'm gonna be now part right here. Nav bar. I'm getting size 200 on on all the files. I am going to bootstrap. I wonder why. What am I doing wrong? Okay, so we have the nav bar. Oh, okay. What the heck am I doing? Okay, that didn't help much. Actually, I have to have anchor tags. Okay. Definitely not doing something right. Alright, so I have my nav, and then I have my unordered list. Alright, that's UL. Alright, let me put anchor tags in there. Maybe it needs it. Yes. I'm just copying the tutorial effectively. Okay. It's definitely picking up some kind of different font. I don't get why it's not working. Okay, so I have I have Bootstrap. I have the JavaScript for Bootstrap and for jQuery. Okay, so I have my nav bar. Let me try just copying this directly into my code and see what happens. Not much better. Oh, okay, let's try. So let's get you out. I don't know what's happening. Why is this not working properly? Why is Bootstrap not working? Ugh, oh my god. Computers, man. Maybe I'll try to link it to another one of those Bootstrap files. Now it's even more different. What the heck is going on? That's Bootstrap grid. Alright. I don't get it. Why is Bootstrap not working? I don't think I'm gonna spend fucking an hour trying to figure out why this fucking shit isn't working for just linking CSS. God damn it. That's so frustrating. Do I have the right version of Bootstrap? I downloaded it directly off the this website. I'm on version 4. And I'll link to bye. That did not help. Linking to an external. It is picking up on the scaling, but it's not doing exactly what it should be doing. Why? It's not doing the full container. Alright, let's just dive deeper into this. Okay. This is a little frustrating. It's a little frustrating. I can't even get the basics done. Okay. I really don't get it. Why is it not working? What am I not doing right? I will literally copy paste this in, and it's gonna be different. Now it works. Oh my god. What did I not do right? Alright, so let's start debugging it. So that's Bootstrap. That's Bootstrap 3. Are these for Bootstrap 3? Maybe I should look at Bootstrap 4. I think these might be for Bootstrap 3. Right, because he's linking against Bootstrap 3. Okay. Alright. Okay. Undo. For now. Classes. collapsing that part. So let's see. That part default. I think I was just looking at the wrong version of Bootstrap. Okay. So let's do you. Okay. Are we getting somewhere? We are getting somewhere. Do we need this? No, we do not need that. Let's keep this going. Do we need the header? No, we do not. Okay. Okay. And then we can just add in a link in here. So IMGS source assets, which is okay. Okay. Alright, finally getting somewhere. It's a little frustrated, but it's manageable. Okay, so now we just need to an ID. And it's gonna be a logo. Okay, header tag logo. Okay, and then we go inside. Go here, hashtag header tag logo. Oh, not at. Not there yet. And we're gonna give you height 128 pixels. Does it auto scale with the width? Maybe 64 pixels. Okay. All right. Start from the top. Link active, link disabled. You can do a bunch of stuff now. Nav item. Okay, so we'll go here and pass in these classes. Oh, okay, and these are nav links. Okay, that's a little bit more better, well behaved. Brand Navbar brand. Okay, it's already there. Doing the Navbar brand. They're doing about 40 pixels on their demo, so I'm gonna stick to 40. It's kind of small. It's fine. Collapsing Navbar. It's crazy. Crazy. Crazy diamond. Lay it out. What is you? Collapse. Ooh. Come on. Ooh. Wow, okay. Bootstrap. Very, very powerful. I won't even need to use grids. I can just use Bootstrap. I mean, I guess it's an abstraction on top of grids. Okay. Okay, so it took me a while to get up on it. Oh my god, I wasted 30 minutes just to get here at the ground level. Okay. Let me go ahead and practice a little bit of GitHub. So I'll go here and I'll create a branch for testing. And I'll push this. I'll do a publish brand. Okay. And then let me create a first commit. Bootstrapping. Testing bootstrap. Commit that and then push it to testing. Okay, so we got a simple header here. Very simple, very simple. And I guess we can build dynamic menus with this simple setup. So actually, let's test out the drop down. Okay, I'm just gonna copy their code straight into this. Okay. Oh. Oh, it is already a nav item. So why do you look so derpy? Oh, perhaps it needs to be in the list. Okay, there we go. Okay. I can see how that can work. Alright, so we have a basic header. Very simple. And if we want, where would be a good spot? I guess that won't matter. Alright, let's give up on the header for now. Alright, let's start working on the footer. Alright, footers. I guess it'll be just a nav bar that's fixed to the bottom. What do I want to have in there? Okay. So let's go from the header here. Let's just grab that. Copy that. And here, format. Alright, so we don't really need it to be collapsible. So nav bar. Let's go to basic nav bar. Could be collapsible. I don't really need that. So there's navbar, navbar. Okay. How do I align navbar elements to the right or to the left? Let's see. Bootstrap align navbar right. Okay. Align at center. Navbar MR auto. Okay. MX auto. Margin left auto. And margin right auto. And then this margin X auto. So let's see. Let's try this. Let's try that. Oh. Sugoi. But let's actually center it. Ho ho ho. Let's go to the header. Center this bad boy as well. Okay. I mean, it's got this kind of behaving as an offset. The logo. That's actually pretty cool. Actually, I'm going to make both of them collapsible. It's super useful. Okay, so I'm going to close your div off here. So /d. So format. And if I duplicate this, stretch it out. Ooh, I broke some. Oh, okay. Yes, I gotta get the. Oh, it's the div that controls the collapsible. Okay, the nav has to have that collapsible style on it. No. Top. I think I need this. I need to go before this. So duplicate. Oh man, I'm doing something wrong. Alright, I'm just gonna just copy the whole thing again. So I can. I know I don't want. I don't think I want that on the bottom end. And also, I want it to be towards the bottom of the page. So we gotta do fixed bottom on it. There we go. And now it should work. Okay. It's working, but now the thing's on the other side. Oh, and they both control the same thing. Okay, I see a dilemma. Alright, so collapsible nav bar. I call it collapsible nav bar header. And I'll call you footer. And I'll adjust the data toggle. Alright, where are you? Data target. Alright, so now the footer behaves, the header behaves. Take a look, guys. See that? Okay, cool. Okay. Alright, so we have a header, we have a footer. Let's see. Is it margin left auto on this one? ML auto. So when we shrink it, it should be on the other side. Okay. Can't really see it, can you? There we go. So it's now on the right side. Actually, we should be margin X autoing these so they come up in the center. Okay, and it's hard to see. I know. So that's the footer. Let's go back to the header and put this in here. Okay, so it's just being offset by the logo. So can we do this? Control X. Let's put the logo in here. Okay. And then if we stretch it out, the logo comes out. Oh, okay, yeah. No. Maybe the logo should have its own layer. Okay, I have an idea. Let's put the logo in its own thing. Its own just div. Okay. A nav bar nav. Let's get you up here. And there's something here, sticky top. Okay, so let's add sticky top to, where are you? To the main nav right here. So that means it will not leave the top once you scroll it, and then we can have you as a nav bar. I guess in the nav bar we could also have the banner Okay. Alright, let's try that out. Use like a navbar banner. I don't think there's a. Is there a banner? Bootstrap navbar banner. Alright, whatever. This is gonna have to work. Okay, header banner. Alright. Okay. Banner. This has duplicate shoot. Refresh. Oh, things are becoming very mobile or optimized for responsive. Okay, it's good stuff right there, man. Alright, we're about an hour in. We recreated the same banner the same ways 3 times. Okay. So that is... Alright, now we need to create the page. Now I'm actually going to take a break. Taking a break for like 15 minutes. So I'll be back, guys, or whoever might be watching in the future, while I try to learn all these new fancy stuff, just copy pasta stuff together. Alright, I'll be back.